Hey there, boys and girls. Day 2 here in the islands of the Mediterranean, and we've got something planned for you. Watch this.
Come follow me to a secret place where only the moon can see. Beyond the shores, there is something more, just waiting for you and me. I see that you're yearning for something more. I feel the waves around me shaking me to my core.
هلا وعينا و I felt the boat was moving. Turns out that we are leaving the port. Check it out. The crew even unpacks your bag and organizes the clothes, color coordinated. Look at this. Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to HMS Ruya. This is gonna be home for the week, so come check it out. Welcome to the lower deck. We rarely use this place as it's pretty posh. We either hang out at the bottom deck where we do all our water sports, or the top deck where we do our sun tanning. Come check it out. هيدا الصالون الرسمي هون وين نستقبل الضيوف. And if we have a fancy dinner party, here's the dining room. Alright, here's the first floor deck. هون عادة بنقضي كل نهارنا بين ترويقة وغدا و at night where we watch our movies. Check it out. هون الكرو محضر لنا الترويقة. Look at the beautiful setup. For breakfast today, eggs Florentine, baby. Top deck, that's where the magic happens. These are our wonderful swivel chairs. نقعد نتشمس هون نشرب قهوتنا بعد الظهر. Here's my kitchen and grill where I'll be making some fantastic burgers. حمام إذا ما لنا جهد ننزل لتحت. Gorgeous bar where I serve up my drinks. And a gorgeous sun deck where we spend our afternoons tanning and marinating in the jacuzzi. Alright, boys and girls, so brace yourself for a week of epic fun. I hope to show you some crazy stunts, some beautiful islands, amazing destinations, and a lot of food. Hope you enjoy this. Cheers. Alright, boys and girls, we just had breakfast. Now we're gonna go change our clothes, get into our bathers. We're gonna hit the jet skis. We're gonna go to a cave that's nearby. Try to get into the cave if the tide is not too high. Here's our little dinghy that we're gonna use to get there. Then after jet ski, we're gonna park somewhere. We're gonna have lunch there. And then back to hang out and enjoy the rest of the day. Hope you enjoy it.
Boys and girls, day 2 here in the islands of the Mediterranean, and we've got something planned for you. Watch this.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
Alright, boys and girls, being the nice Arabs that we are, we've just blocked the entrance to the port. And and now the ferry can't come in. All these cars are waiting to come in and they can't. Watch this. Finally found a parking spot.
Towards the end of the court there. It's on the right hand side, you can't as soon as you go past.
Anniversary, they took it as
One day, and that day may never come, I'll call upon you to do a favor for me. But until that day,
oh my god, Bram, seriously, he's gonna die. What is he doing?
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.